What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Richmond, and welcome back to Online Success Academy. On this channel, I teach people how to make money online, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, and drop service, and anything related to making money online. So I do even cryptocurrency and everything related to making money online. So if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, like the video as well, and hit on the bell icon so that whenever I drop an amazing video like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube will send you a notification. And don't forget to comment down all your questions. I'll be there to answer you right after I receive them. So right now I'm moving on to my Shareasale account to show you how you can make this kind of money with your Shareasale account. So in this video I'm going to take you through the Shareasale affiliate marketing strategy, how you can make money with Shareasale with any offer on Shareasale. So this Shareasale is a platform that deals with both CPA and affiliate marketing platforms. So they deal with CPA and per sale offers on this platform. So you can go with the CPA offers by moving on to a different side of Shareasale and selecting CPA and try to moving on to the merchant side and search for merchants. And let me go back straight to that place. So you can see over here that it says merchant, so you can move through it and then select the offer that you wish to promote. So there are all a lot of niches over here that you can select through it and begin to promote everything. So what you need to do right after coming to the merchant side is that you need to hit on join program and then write something to them and apply to this agree to the terms of service and hit on join program. And whenever you get approved, you can make money with this. So you can see that this offer is paying for $100, and whenever you get access to that, you can make money with that. You can earn $100 per every sale that you make on this platform. You can see Facebook is paying $5 per lead and then $55 per sign up per sale over there. So you can see over there. So what you need to do right now is to come to the section where it says links over here, links, and then move straight to get a link over there. So right after coming to where it says get a link, what you need to do right now is to select the offer that you wish you can promote with this. So in this video I'm going for Namecheap offer that we are going to promote Namecheap, and with that we are going to make a lot of money. So let me go to the Namecheap session to know much about Namecheap. So how much are they paying? They are paying 30% per sale. So you can see over here that it says 30% per sale. So let's take it down. When the price is $100, that means you're going to earn $30 per sale that you get from Namecheap. And you can see over here it's on live for 817 days. As at now, it haven't gone offline, so that means it's a good offer that you can promote for the webmasters, that people who are webmasters and the people who are interested in making website. So you can see, you can read through it. It is founded, everything about Namecheap is being written over here. So you can go to the terms of service and they read through it, what you need to do and what you're not supposed to do. You can come to the section where it says commission rate. So you can hit on that and read through it and everything that is over here. So you can see the keywords that you need to target over there. So you can see bidding with this keyword is not allowed, so you should not go for these keywords over here. Yes, so you can see bid limit is 000. That means you should go to for this keyword. You are not going to earn any money. So let me take you straight to everything step by step guide. And then this is affiliate marketing on Shareasale blueprint method that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing platform out there. So the name of the platform that we are going to use is Google site, because we are going to use Google site as our bridge page. So you can see right now it says, do you wish to get your own website and start to earn money on the internet for free? Get a web hosting and domain name for free as soon as possible. Click here to start for free. So The reason why I'm using the, even though it's a paid version, but the reason why I'm using this free is that most people like free things. So whenever you add free to it, they may think that is free. So whenever they click on your link and it land them to the landing page of this platform, their landing page is going to convince them enough to purchase the domain name, and with that you are going to earn money uh from each sale that they make. So right now what I need to do is, now I need to go to where it says get links, and right after clicking on that, I'm going to copy a link to my affiliate. I'm going to copy my affiliate link and share it through that. So what we are going to do, I'm going to do is now create a custom link, and then you can see over here, or go to more links. Yes, so you can see over here. So I'll go to this section where it says links, and then because I'm not going to use HTML code, I'm going to use this codes over here. Yes, so I can decide to use that, and I can modify it by hitting on this modify icon over there. So right now the links to my Shareasale account is being placed over here, and I can even click on this one to copy my link, my referral link over here, and then go back to my landing page like this, as you can see over here. So right now in this image icon, what I'm going to do is to add this image, add the link in this image. Yes, so I'm not going to leave it there for free because most people can click on that. So I'll hit on that, paste my link over there, and then hit on apply. And whenever somebody clicks on that, it's going to land them through that. And you can see web hosting. I'll click on that and then leave my link into that, and then hit on apply. And domain name over here is a keyword. I'll hit on that. So you can see that I did not add any web the name web name chip into that. So most people who add that means you must go by the terms of service according to the keywords that they are targeting. Yes, so you can see that I did not add anything or any keyword that mentions the name of the platform over there. Yes, because I know that that's how it works. So right now my landing page is completed and I can begin to promote it. So somebody may ask, where are we going to promote this kind of landing page to earn money with that? So you can preview your website by hitting on this, what you can see right now. So this is on a laptop or a computer, and then you can see this one for a tablet and then on mobile phone. So when somebody clicks on your landing page on mobile phone, that's how is going to see it. And when the person clicks on it on tablet, they are going to see it this way, and on computer they are going to see it this way. So this is how basically we build a landing page for affiliate marketing on Shareasale. So right now we are going to go to the section of promoting it. So guys, if you are loving what I'm showing you right now, don't forget to smash on the like button, comment down below your questions. I'll be there to answer you, and then subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I'll be glad to see you in my next video. So I'll go to the session, a platform called Quora. So somebody may ask, what is Quora? Quora is a question and answering platform, and when you come to Quora, all you need to do is to select web hosting, search for web hosting questions. So right now I'll hit on, you can see over here which can see there are a lot of questions, which are the best websites for teens and college students to earn money online. So I can decide to answer the question, but right now what you need to do is to follow the question and know the date that this question was being published on this platform. So you can see this question was being this answer was being published on 7 years ago, that means it's an old question. When you answer it, that means you're not going to earn any money with it. So websites, let me select that and then hit on enter and search for website questions that comes with website. So you can see what are the first freelancing sites. So that is not what we need. How can I build a website? So what you're going to do right now, this question is 9 hours ago. So what you're going to do is to go to a platform where it says AI tool, that is called ChatGPT, and write a nice article about this website. So I'll just copy the questions, the question, how do I build a website, and copy that over here, not the link as well, but I'll copy the text and go back to my AI tool where it says ChatGPT. So I'll search for ChatGPT. Okay, so you can see it over here. I'll search for that, and right after searching for that, guys, as it's loading, don't forget to smash on the like button, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. Yeah, so right now I'll type in write a 4,000 word article or 3,000 word article about or on the question so I'll paste the question and um add a call to action and add a call to action. So you can see right now what I wanted it to do is that I want it to write for a 3,000 word article that talks about how to build a website, and the AI tool should add a call to action. That means I want it to tell people to go down to buy the product that I'm promoting. So I'll hit on that, and the AI tool is going to uh, write this article for me. So it says I should do it this way. Um, so right now I'm going to sit behind this thing and I asked ChatGPT to write everything for me. So I'm not going to touch anything. ChatGPT is writing, it's writing 3,000 words on this question that I asked it to write. So you can see it's doing its work, and it's going. This AI tool is very good in article writing. So right now I'm just going to wait for it to load, or wait for it as it's writing. Don't forget to smash on the like button, subscribe to the channel as well, and comment down below all your questions. I'll be there to answer you. And right now my ebook is about to be done, so it's not completed yet. So I'll hit on continue. It's about to be done, so don't forget to, guys, whenever the book is ready, I'll contact you guys so that you can purchase it and make money with the CPA and then affiliate marketing strategy that I use. So right now ChatGPT is done with the work, so you can see the article is very very long over here. You can see it over here. So right now what I'm going to do is to copy everything because it's a tutorial sake. By you purposely you need to edit it small, so I will come to this section where it says answer, and then paste my answer over here and clear some certain things from there, so that it will become very easy for them to read through it. So you can see everything over here, and you can see everything. So the name chip is over here. So let me clear everything from this place. So I don't need anything from them that says contact us. I'll just clear everything over here. clear everything. Hit on clear everything over here, and what's right now left is that success. So what are you waiting for? Grab. So I'll go to my landing page over here and then copy everything over here and copy everything and come to the section where it says Quora, and then come to the bottom side and then paste it over there by hitting Ctrl V. So you can see that everything is here. You can see that, and then I'll hit on post, every post here, and right now what they are going to do is that my answer is going to be public for the whole place to see it. So you can see that no English, and then I'll hit on done. So that is it. You can see everything over here. My answer is here, and when somebody clicks on that, that means I'm going to make a lot of money from this Shareasale affiliate marketing. That's how I was able to make that kind of money on my Shareasale account. So don't forget to smash on the like button, and I'll be giving you update on Shareasale affiliate marketing. And comment down below your questions. Anything that you don't understand, comment down and I'll be there to answer you right after I receive them at the comment section. Like the video, and if you don't like it, leave it there and go your way. I'm okay with that. Like the video, and then subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And don't forget that I do love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you very much, guys, and then stay safe wherever you are. Peace out, guys.